Since September, Google's parent company has put $1.5 billion into new blockchain startups. It's no secret that Google is interested in blockchain technology. The search giant has been experimenting with the distributed ledger technology for years, and its parent company, Alphabet, has been investing in blockchain startups since September. Now, a new report from CB Insights sheds some light on just how much money Alphabet has poured into the space. According to the report, Alphabet has invested $1.5 billion into blockchain companies through its venture capital arm GV since September 2017. What is blockchain technology? Blockchain technology is a type of distributed ledger technology, DLT. It is a decentralized, digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. This means that there is no central authority that controls the ledger. Instead, it is maintained by a network of computers that are all connected to each other. Blockchain technology has many potential applications. For example, it could be used to create a decentralized, tamper-proof database of all medical records. It could also be used to create a decentralized, tamper-proof database of all financial transactions. Google's parent company, Alphabet, has been investing heavily in blockchain startups since September of 2018. So far, Alphabet has invested a total of $1.2 billion into these startups. Some of the startups that Alphabet has invested in include Blockstream, Ledger, and Ripple. These companies are all working on different aspects of blockchain technology. Blockstream is working on a platform that will allow businesses to build applications on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. Ledger is working on a hardware wallet that will allow users to store their cryptocurrencies offline. Ripple is working on a payment platform that will allow users to send money around the world instantly and cheaply. Alphabet's investment in these blockchain startups shows that they are betting big on the future of this technology. With their backing, these startups will have the resources they need to continue developing innovative solutions on the blockchain. What do these startups do? These startups all focus on different aspects of the blockchain. Some are working on developing new applications for the blockchain, while others are working on ways to make the blockchain more efficient. However, all of these startups have one thing in common. They are all trying to find new and innovative ways to use the blockchain. Some of the more notable startups that Google has invested in include Blockstream, a company that is working on developing new ways to use the blockchain, and Chainalysis, a startup that is working on making the blockchain more efficient. These are just two of the many blockchain startups that Google has invested in over the past few months. It is clear that Google is very interested in the potential of the blockchain. By investing in these startups, Google is hoping to find new and innovative ways to use this technology. How will this affect Google's business? There are a few potential ways that Google's recent investment into blockchain startups could affect its business. First, it could help Google to develop its own blockchain-based products and services. By investing in these startups, Google can gain access to their technology and knowledge. This could help Google to create its own blockchain-based solutions for various areas of its business, such as cloud storage or advertising. Second, it could lead to more partnerships between Google and blockchain startups. These partnerships could provide Google with access to new technologies and markets. For example, if a startup creates a new blockchain-based advertising platform, Google could partner with them to use this platform for its own advertising business. Third, it could make Google more attractive to talent in the blockchain space. By investing in these startups, Google is showing that it is committed to the blockchain space. This could make it more attractive to talented individuals who are looking to work in this emerging field. Conclusion: Google's recent investment into blockchain technology is a clear indication that the company sees immense potential in this new and innovative space. With Google's backing, we can expect to see blockchain technology advance at an accelerated rate, bringing about new and exciting applications that will change the way we live and work. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment for more about blockchain technology, crypto news, NFT content. See you in the next video.